In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile photo in Confluence. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a refresher, this simple guide will walk you through each step of updating your profile picture, making your presence in the platform more personalized and unique. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin on your Confluence homepage. This is typically the page you land on when you first log in, where you see your workspaces, recent pages, and updates. From this familiar space, you'll want to focus your gaze towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon or your initials if you haven't previously added a photo. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a new page dedicated to various aspects of your profile that you can configure. It's here that we're going to make all the magic happen today. Once you're on the Account Settings page, look out for the camera icon that's nestled within your current profile initials or image. Clicking on this little camera will initiate the process of updating your profile photo. What you're looking for next is an option that says Add Profile Photo. Click on that. With this selection, you'll open up a window that allows you to choose from options of uploading a new picture. Another pop-up will prompt you to upload a photo, giving you the opportunity to navigate your device's files and find just the right image you want to use. This is your moment to choose a picture that really represents you, something professional for your workspace vibe, or maybe something with a bit of personality if that's more your style. After you've picked out your picture from your files, you'll want to click Open, or the equivalent on your device, to confirm your choice. Now, back in the Atlassian interface, you should see a preview of your selected photo. If all looks good to you, go ahead and hit Upload. Within a few moments, you'll see your new profile photo updated in Confluence. It's just that easy. You've now personalized your profile, making it recognizable to your colleagues and enhancing your professional presence within the platform. Should you ever want to change it again, just repeat these steps, and that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture, adding a personal touch to your Confluence experience. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you enjoyed this quick guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy customizing!